Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is one of our new trades, one of our pre-owned boats. This is a really clean 2016 Sea Ray 260 Sundancer. 260 is a great boat, very popular, kind of a pocket cruiser if you will. Sleeps 4 comfortably, but with an 8.5-foot beam, you can still trailer the boat. So as you can see here, boat's in excellent condition. Really nice lines to it, good performance. She does have your shore power with air conditioning. It's got the built-in flush out, so if you keep your boat on the lift, that works out well. Super nice layout. This aft bench seat actually rolls out. You've got your U-shaped seating all the way around. This one's going to have full canvas as well. You've got your 5-piece enclosure. She does have the Raymarine GPS. Lenco trim tabs, VHF radio. Very comfortable seating all the way around. When we go down in the cabin, has lots of headroom inside here. This is our enclosure right here. You can sleep 2 here. You can also sleep 2 in the aft cabin. Here at our galley, nice refrigerator, microwave, Rockford Fosgate stereo, and this is going to be your control panel for your 110 volt and your 12 volt. Inside here, fully enclosed head, dockside discharge, and overboard discharge. So to recap, super nice boat. 2016 Sea Ray 260 Sundancer. It's available at MarineMax in Venice. This is one of our pre-owned boats, so if you have a trade, we can definitely talk about that. Financing's available at delivery, full tank of fuel, full captain's orientation, all your Coast Guard equipment's included. So it's at MarineMax in Venice. If you'd like to take a look, feel free to give us a call. Again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw. The number here is 941-485-3388. Thanks again for taking the time, and we hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.